This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. The Seneca floor plan west/a 3-car garage situated in appx 0.26 of an acre lot welcomes you home to the resort lifestyle community of Benn's Grant, which includes the neighborhood pool, spacious clubhouse, fantastic playground, and beautiful walking paths found throughout the community. With a gorgeous chef's kitchen that has tons of cabinet and counter space, come ready to prepare your favorite dishes and make entertaining enjoyable and easy. Newly custom paint throughout and lots of natural light. Decorating will be a breeze. The versatility of space makes entertaining and daily living comfortable for all. Upstairs, the owner's retreat awaits with dual walk-in closets. 3 additional bedrooms, all with walk-in closets, and 1 bedroom has an in-law suite with a private bathroom. The custom details and upgrades even expand into the backyard, which is fenced with a custom stamped concrete patio. Come tour and experience this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below.